For any help regarding probabilistic systems analysis homework help, visit https://www.excelhomeworkhelp.com. Email info@excelhomeworkhelp.com or call us at +1 678 648 4277. 1. At the Probability Coffee House of MIT, there is only one cashier. Due to the limited space, she allows only M customers to line before her at any time. If a customer finds there are M customers there, including the one being served by the cashier, he will leave the coffee house immediately. Every minute, exactly one of the following occurs. One new customer arrives with probability P, one existing customer leaves with probability KQ, where K is the number of customers in the house, or no new customer arrives and no existing customer leaves with probability 1 minus P minus KQ if there is at least one customer in the house, and with probability 1 minus P otherwise. A. This problem can be modeled as a birth-death process. Define appropriate states and draw the transition probability graph. B. After the house has been open for a long time, you walk into the house. Calculate how many customers you expect to see in line. www.excelhomeworkhelp.com. A. Draw an appropriate Markov chain that describes the game. B. Identify all transient, recurrent, and periodic states. C. What is the probability that Pat wins? 2. Sam and Pat are playing foosball. When they begin, the score is 0-0. To make things interesting, if the score ever becomes tied, it is instantly reset to 0-0. Starting from any score, the probability that Sam gets the next point is 1-3. The game stops when one player's score reaches 2. www.excelhomeworkhelp.com. 1a. We define a Markov chain with states 0, 1, m, corresponding to the number of customers in the house. Assume that MQ1, the transition probability graph, is given as follows. B. For the above Markov chain, the local balance equations are www.excelhomeworkhelp.com. Using the equation, the steady-state probabilities are. Therefore, the average number of customers in the house is given by 2a, denote by x, y, the score of Sam and Pat respectively. A Markov chain that describes the game is www.excelhomeworkhelp.com. Note that the game ends when either state 0, 2, or 2, 0 is entered. B. Since we have a finite number of states, a state is recurrent if and only if it is accessible from all the states that are accessible from it, and therefore, states 0, 0, 0, 1, and 1, 0 are transient and states 0, 2, and 2, 0 are recurrent. C. The probability that Pat wins is the probability that we get absorbed to state 0, 2. Setting up the equations, we solve for A, 1, 0, A, 0, 0, and A, 0, 1, which yields that following. Therefore, the probability of Pat winning is equal to 12 divided by 15 is equal to 0.8. www.excelhomeworkhelp.com